The Black Friday frenzy.
Those doorbuster deals.
Ruffstuff's biggest sale of the year is now here.
Yo, boys, you gotta meet me at Ruffstuff. Get down here. These deals are insane. Oh, yeah, of course, you can bring them too. Yeah, just come by and meet me. Hurry up. We want to be the first in line. All right, later. Hi there, I need to get some link tabs.
I'm actually all out of stock.
You've got to be kidding me. No!
Skip the line. Order online. Don't miss out on our biggest sale of the year. Save 20% on all Ruffstuff manufactured products, 40% on our clearance products, and get 0% APR when financing through a firm for qualifying customers. Use code SAVEBIG at checkout to start saving. Sale ends at midnight on November 30th, so don't miss out.